you have been doing your blood test all wrong. I'm not joking. So before you get some blood work done, there are a few things you should know. For instance, before you do a fasting test, you should make sure that you get at least 8 to 12 hours of fasting. That means no food, no water, nothing. That's an ideal fast. As far as the postprandial test or the PP test is concerned, like your fasting, like your PP insulin, PP glucose, you should have a proper full meal before you get this test done. If you have a snack, you get good numbers, but doesn't actually mean anything. Staying hydrated is another important factor. You should have a good amount of water at least 1 to 2 hours before you get the test. But you overdo it, that will also throw away your marker. Especially those like BUN, creatinine, and all those kidney function test markers, they can be totally off depending on your hydration status. So don't overhydrate, don't underhydrate. This is important. Supplements. So if you are somebody who takes a lot of supplements, do keep in mind that supplements like iron, omega-3, these can actually interfere with your blood markers and throw them off. So better to avoid them at least for a day before you get this test done. Another thing is workouts, especially intense physical activities. Intense physical activities are better off if you avoid for at least 24 to 48 hours. So markers like HSCRP can be largely dependent on this intense physical activity. Anyway, like you work out, you break down your muscle fiber, that's a form of inflammation right there. So markers like inflammatory markers are thrown off by strenuous exercises the previous day. Another thing you should keep in mind is if you are somebody who travels or you are in between a travel, you're having sleepless days, you're having jet lag, better off not doing the test. And you settle down, then get the test done, because this will definitely throw off your markers. And the final most important thing is get the test done from a proper lab facility. If you're getting test done from a not so good place, you're just getting like a bunch of tests for a less price, chances are they are using some old techniques or they are just not using the right way, and you definitely get an off marker. So better, at least for the most important tests like hormones, just stick to proper labs. So keep this in mind before you get your next blood work done.